Hello guys, welcome to another NDD platform Android apps review. My name is Elvis. So it's been a long time since I uploaded some Android apps review here. I've been very occupied, but I'm back. We're completely back, so we'll be dropping videos at least once every week from now on. So stick around, subscribe if you haven't, and without wasting much time, let's get into it. So today I've got an app called Simple. Simple is an alternative to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Google+. If you have a phone where you can't run all these apps at once, Simple keeps it simple for you. You can run all this in one app, and it is pretty much cool. It is light, doesn't drain a lot of battery, and it works. Okay, so here you can see I'm just going through my Facebook page, and it's pretty fast. It's not really fast, but it's good enough, and it's beautiful. It keeps everything close to the original Facebook app, close to it. So you can see through the menu here, I can toggle through some other settings and options quickly, and let's just dive in. Let's go into the settings and see what options we have. So go into the settings right now. Okay, so we have the browser settings. This is where you can just select how to open external links if you want to open them within the app, or choose another app for that. So it's self-explanatory. So moving on, we have the next option there, customize settings. This where you actually customize the app itself, the way it presents itself. So you have a lot of customizations available here. You can change the theme, the overall color of the app. Here I'm using the Facebook blue. So you can set up a lot of other things like the tab background color. You can set up the font size, and so on and so forth. So it's pretty cool. It's fun and allows you to customize to a particular extent. So the next option here, we have our Facebook settings. This is where you can set up your Facebook the way you want it. For example, pick a messaging client if you want to use the app, or a Facebook Messenger, so it can actually synchronize your Facebook Messenger if you want that sticking around. And we have our Facebook styles here. So here, this is the Facebook mobile. The initial one was the Facebook Lite, Material Lite, what I was using. This is Facebook Mobile. It tries to mimic the original Facebook. Here we have our Facebook Classic. Takes it back per se. It's not really a big deal, but you have options for that. So you can see the difference between the Facebook Classic and the Facebook Mobile is just a little difference. Anyway, the next one, you have the Material Dark. This is where you want to make things a little bit dark. You have the AMOLED for those who have AMOLED screens, and you have the basic white theme. Anyway, so that is that about the Facebook mobile style. You can see you have a lot of options, a bunch of them. You can even run it on data saver mode. You can try a lot of other options that you can find on the Facebook mobile app. So I really think this is a great app for you if you want to try out something new. Okay, so moving on, next to the next option here, we have our layout, the layout style. This is our general overview of the app, where you can set up some things, the app language, and so on and so forth. Okay, the next option we have after layout is our notification settings. As the name implies, you have to set up your notifications for messages and so on and so forth. So you can try that out for yourself and see what options are under there. Alright, so moving on, we have our overflow settings. This is the menu where you click and you have those other options I talked about earlier. So you can toggle some options on and off here. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so next we have our privacy settings. This is where you can set up a lock for the app. As simple as that. And next we have our shortcuts. So you can actually create shortcuts for every other app and not just Facebook, Twitter, and so on and so forth. And you have our utilities for utility settings, and yeah, that's all about the settings. Okay, so that's great about the settings. So let's actually try out the other app. Let's move into Twitter. So while we're doing that, you can see that this app is actually very great. Without going too deep into it, we were able to see some options we have. Okay, now Twitter is up. I actually have some settings going on. So you see it's basically everything you need. There's a menu option where you can move into your profile and view some of your tweets, and follow up your notifications, messages, and so on and so forth. Everything you need in one particular app. So here you have your settings. You can toggle some settings on and off. You can try this out yourself, or drop a link in the video description for you to go download if you want to. Okay, so this app is pretty good. You see by the left hand side, we can switch to Facebook, Google Plus, or Instagram as we want. Another feature on Facebook is the simple pins. This allows you to pin regular pages you visit often. You can pin them so you don't have to go looking for them. So here you can see my page is already pinned there, and I am actually on the page. Some posts I dropped. Okay, so that's pretty great about the app. Thank you for watching. I think I'm going to end the video here. You can follow me up on Instagram or on Facebook at NDDPlatform to check out some of my other services on graphics design and music production. Thank you guys once more for watching. I'd really love to know what you think about this video, so drop a comment in the comment box below. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you dislike it, thumbs down. It's pretty okay. And if you think you want to know more, you want to learn more apps, you can actually subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notifications whenever I drop videos. I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, bye.